Silver leaves scatter in elven lands to roam. Thranduil on a throne, but his mind gone to Rome. Antlers on the crown, guards always uptight. Glimmer in his eyes, stars slice through the night. Forest whisper secrets, shadows break apart. Eyes like the moon shooting arrows with heart. Battlefields echo wine and woodland song. March through the twilight where the elven belong. Thranduil on a mission, kingdom in pawn. Sorrows in his goblet, but he marches on. Emerald path glitters, ain't no coming back. Chasing ancient whispers on a midnight track. Kingswood deep, emerald glow neath the bark. Ancient spirits watch in the twilight dark. Feather soft steps in the moon's faint light. Flame-haired warrior in the dead of night. Sentinels guard all those secrets unfold. Thranduil strides bold in a cape stitched gold. Vines whisper old tales, tree roots grip tight. Legends of his journey lit by starlit flight. Thranduil on a mission, kingdom in pawn. Sorrows in his goblet, but he marches on. Emerald path glitters, ain't no coming back. Chasing ancient whispers on a midnight track. Thranduil on a mission.